Happy first day of school!
As you guys know, this year is gonna be a little bit different.
So funny.
Hey, look! Is that change I see?
It sure is, Treasurer Desi.
Oh! What's wrong, Secretary Avery?
Avery tends to be a little scared of change.
Avery, you have to learn to grow with the flow.
Don't you mean go with the flow, Vice President Luke?
No, silly. He means grow with the flow.
Yeah, President Lauren is totally right. Growing with the flow is all about embracing change and adapting for the better.
You have to see the positive in all situations.
So then what's the difference between go with the flow and grow with the flow?
Well, a lot of times when people are faced with a challenge or discomfort, they just want to go with the flow, get it over with, right? But it's so much more important to grow with the flow and to take that and gain knowledge from it in a great experience that you can learn later in your life.
Okay, come on now, guys. We're gonna be late to online school.
Hey guys, it's Lauren. Here we are, senior year. I miss seeing you all so much. I know that this was not at all how we envisioned our senior year to begin. As we have grown up through elementary school, middle school, and then high school, we look forward to senior year. It would be easy for you to be down, and who could blame you? But this year can still be the year we look forward to. We're the class of 2021, and we're not going to miss our opportunity to leave a lasting impression and enjoy our senior year. Everything will be different, but that doesn't mean that it won't be special. We can find safe ways to get involved and safe ways to stay connected to the rest of our class. We can show the rest of the school how to be responsible young adults and how to be a leader. The underclassmen will be looking to us to set a positive example. This year will be different, but it will still be very memorable. Let's try to enjoy the year and do our best to live in the moment. We can try to support each other. Now is a tough time for everyone, and it's so important to intentionally reach out to others. Also, please feel free to reach out to me if you ever need anyone to talk to. It's not the way we imagined it, it's not the senior year we were planning on, but this is our senior year, so let's embrace it. I am wishing you the best this year. Good luck, and I hope to see you all soon.
Hello, seniors. I wish you could be in the same room with me right now because you would feel the energy and the excitement I have for you, for your class. And you might be saying, Larson, what are you so excited about? We're not in school yet. I want to challenge you with a couple things. Don't let what you can't do interfere with what you can do. I am convinced and committed to making this the best year that you've had in your years of school. I want to share with you the message I shared with the underclassmen, but then I want to have a unique challenge for you, the senior class. What I shared with the underclassmen was something I learned a long time ago as a high school student, freshman year, sophomore, junior. I had the opportunity to be a camper at a basketball camp called Northwest Basketball Camps. And while they want to obviously teach us how to be better basketball players, what set this camp apart from other camps is they challenged us to be better people. And they challenged us to think about having the confidence and courage to do things that maybe we didn't think we could do. They taught us 5 words, and I've never forgotten those 5 words. The 5 C's: confidence, courage, character, conviction, and commitment. Think about those words. Confidence. Confident that we can do things that other people maybe don't think we can do. Courage. The courage to do what is right. Character. How powerful is that word? Character is what you are when nobody is looking. Commitment. Commitment to yourself, to your families, to your friends. That commitment to do what is right and to be your best. And conviction. Stand by your convictions. Stand by what you believe to be true and what you believe is right. I think about those words, and what I remember from that camp is learning. I found that I really thrived on trying to do things that people didn't think I could do. And I would have this goal or this dream, and people would say, there's no way you can do that. You're not smart enough for that. You're not big enough for that. You're not good enough for that. And it was kind of like, now it's on. Watch me. And that's what I want for you. There's people questioning how well we can do these things right now. We're going to be great because of you. We have the best students in the country. We have the best staff in the country. People are questioning all over right now, can students really pull this off? Can they really continue on with their learning? People are wondering, can GP hold on to that culture, that special culture we have where we take care of each other, where we care about each other, where we're more than words, we're actions. I'm so excited because we have the seniors and we have the students to show the world, yeah, we can. Why? Because we are GP. The only 5 words that are more important to me than confidence, courage, character, conviction, commitment are family, accepting, community, together, and pride. Because you know that's what makes us GP. Now here's why I'm so excited about being close with you, the seniors. And while we're starting off remotely, I know that we're going to continue to progress and get through this. And who knows where we're going to end up in June, but I'm just really confident and hopeful that we're going to be together as we go through this year. I want to share real briefly, because I know it's Zoom, it's hard to stay, hard to keep attention on Zoom and stuff, but my wife used to ask me often, how are you so close to your mom and your brother and your sister? She sees that we have this really unique closeness and trust. And I think it's simply because we grew up together. What I mean by that, when I was very, very young, my dad wasn't part of our family. It was my mom and me and my brother and sister, and we leaned on each other. We grew up together. I feel that with you, the class of 2024. It's class of 2021. We can fix that.
Yeah.
Class,
Starting off as
class of 2021. Yep. Got it.
Yeah.
Got it.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay. I feel that with you, the class of 2021, because we came in to GP together. I feel like in a way, we're growing up together. And I'm so excited to go through this senior year with you. We're with you, we're alongside you, and I can't do this without you. Your class, our seniors are so important. We need your leadership. We need your confidence, courage, character, conviction. We need you to show us the way, to maintain our culture. We need to show each other. We need you to show each other and to show our underclassmen that we have the courage to do what is right. We have the commitment to stay current in our schoolwork, to engage in our class, to do the things we don't want to do in order to be able to do the things we want to do. So I can't wait, seniors, to do this with you. And we're going to feel as the year goes on, this bond's going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. And just wait, the end of this, we're going to look back and remember it forever because we did it together. We're growing up together. This is going to be a spectacular year. Do I know exactly what it's going to look like and feel like? Nope, but that's why I'm so excited, because we thrive on things people don't think we can do. We're going to do this together. We're going to do this great because we're family, accepting, community, together in pride. Seniors, we are GP. Let's do this.
It's so good to be back with you. The student startup, thank you for coming out. I know some of you couldn't for various reasons, but what a wonderful time to be able to see everybody and reconnect a bit. I want to mention, as we're talking today about building within yourself a strong sense of integrity. As we move forward into this year, there's going to be a lot of opportunity, not just to learn the school subject areas, but to build into ourselves, you and me both. I really feel strongly about improving who I am as a person and taking opportunities that come, the easy ones, the hard ones, but they're opportunities. And I want that for you too. I want us to be able to be at a place where we're doing what's right, even when nobody else knows that we're doing what's right. And right now, just to acknowledge you and the number of times that you have taken that stance, whether that's in saying the right thing, being the right person, doing the right thing academically. Certainly academically, this is a time where it would be easy to cheat, right? Now, what I'm talking about is much more than just academic integrity, but that's certainly an area right now that we have an opportunity, again, to continue to make what you're claiming is yours, make it yours. An easy way to think about this is if you were thinking about, all right, do I acknowledge another source for the work that I'm claiming is mine? If you could write another source's name on that, or even a friend's name on that, if it's a test or a quiz or a paper that you're turning in, if that's what you should do, to write their name on it too, go for it. If you can't just say that it's your own work, then you're probably claiming something that's not true, claiming that it's yours when it's really not. So, whether it's academics or just who you continue to be online with your own friends, with other people that maybe you don't know very well, I want to encourage you to do what's right. I'm really excited about continuing to see how we can be together this year, and I know that we're going to find ways to manage that. If that's together online, together in person, I'm hoping for more of that, like what we had during Student Startup. As I said, it's just a pleasure to get to see you again, and looking forward to more of that.
Grizzlies! Guess what? Elections are still happening. If you want to be a class officer or senator, it can still happen right now. Look on the Canvas page for ASB, which everyone is invited to, and then look at the elections page. You can see all the information there. More information is to come, but now is the time to serve. It's going to be an awesome year, and everyone should just jump in and be ready to serve. See you guys.
Hey Grizzlies, you know what would help Avery adapt to change that could also help you? Joining clubs to get involved and meet new people. We have a variety of clubs that you can join that may appeal to some of your different interests. One club you may want to join is Green Club, not to be biased if you know what I mean. We have a virtual club fair coming up in October where you can get into contact with the different clubs, and if you can't attend the virtual club fair, you can also contact teachers or ask other students on how to seek other clubs.
Hey, another quarter.
Don't worry, guys. I'm not afraid anymore. Just like this penny, I'm gonna look at this school year for what it's worth and in a positive light.